What if I told you that we can take this dent and repair it back to its original factory condition without having to repaint anything on this brand new 2021 Acura RDX? You'd probably say I'm crazy, but this video should clear the air about any possible doubts you may have had about using paintless dent repair to repair this kind of damage. This ultimately is going to be your best solution for repairing this type of damage, because literally nothing has changed about the vehicle during the process of repairing it. And you can see here what we're doing is what's called a glue pulling method, where we're actually taking some hot glue, fusing it onto a tab, and you can actually physically watch this dent come up. And we're kind of just releasing it slowly and bringing it back to its somewhat natural position here. And you can see we've got a lot of it up already just by using the hot glue method. Now we're going to go in with these specialized tools, and we're going to actually go behind the dent and just kind of slowly manipulate the rest of the metal back there and get it to lay flat back into its original position. Watch closely here. You can see that I've got a tool to the back side. Watch the light reflection kind of move, and I'm actually dragging this damage back into position from the back side, and just kind of sliding a tool up and down to kind of relieve the stress and bring the dent out. And now we're tapping from the outside to kind of manipulate that metal back, just like we were from the inside. Now, normally it's not as easy to get a tool to the back side of a dent when it's in the back of the car, because it usually has a double wall, which kind of prevents us from getting tools so easy to the back side. But this is a special scenario. This construction of this vehicle was actually put together similar to a front fender on a car. So I have full access to the back side. I can put my hand right behind that dent and kind of manipulate it the way I need to. But this thing had a couple little scratches we're going to polish out, as I just showed you there. And this thing should be as good as gold, like it never happened. We had a very, very particular customer, as you would imagine, on a 2021, literally a few thousand miles on this car, when somebody just in a parking lot just kind of sideswiped it, unfortunately, and just left. And they left these customers with, to deal with this unfortunate event here. But the reality of it is, if you can do it this way, always 100% going to be a better solution than dragging it down to the body shop and leaving it there for a couple weeks or so and repainting the entire side of the vehicle to get it to all match and come together. Just an overall better quality repair. Thanks for watching.